nandun naman ako sa health ngayon
Hmm.
na nung time na nag-grind kasi ako, I didn't give much emphasis sa health, eh.
Hmm.
Nung nagkaroon ng cancer yung wife ko, doon it's like,
Seryoso?
'di ba medyo ano siya, medyo open kaya siya, ano yun, eh, officer ng cancer
Society.
support group.
I
So
see.
nung nagka-cancer yung wife ko, na-define na naman yung success sa'kin, bro,
Oo, oo.
na I have people kasi na or I have downlines like agents na
Hmm.
nung pandemic bro namatay. So, the success definition evolves again.
Mm.
Kasi yung mga namatay bro, like may pera talaga.
Hmm.
Pero dahil namatay sila, hindi na nila na-enjoy yung perang nakuha nila. So,
Exactly.
yun nga, the success definition,
Nag-redefine na naman.
yes,
Hmm.
nag-evolve ulit siya. So,
Mm.
a good health, kaya ngayon halos everyday ako sa gym bro.
Mm.
So, nag-evolve ulit siya na I need
To take
to
care.
maintain and take care of our health. My wife, ganun. Kaya grabe bro, nung time na na-diagnose yung wife ko ng cancer, tigil lahat bro. Like, lahat ng grind mode ko, ng hustle culture mode bro,
Mm.
as in tigil. Kasi,
So it's really true, no, that when there's a problem, when we are unhealthy, there's no other dream than to be healthy.
oo,
Parang yun lang talaga yung
oo.
focus ko dito.
Nung pandemic bro, dahil nga may time na ako for lots of check-up gano'n, 'di
Mm.
ba? Nagpa-check-up ako. Do'n ko nakita na medyo mataas din pala yung mga ano ko, yung mga, uric acid. Hindi
Mm.
naman totally mataas, pero alam mo yung borderline,
Mm.
uric acid.
Tapos napaka-timely nung kinakain natin, 'no?
Oo, tama. Tsaka yung ano, yung blood pressure ko
Mm.
mataas and then pati ko yung creatinine yung kidney. So, kung malapit na sa borderline, kasi nurse din ako, 'di ba?
Mm.
Familiar ako na dapat hindi ka umabot sa point na non-reversible na.
Mm.
So, this past this past mga years, na-realize ko na you have 100 problems today, but if
Mm.
you have one health problems,
Mm.
you will only have one health problems. Na lahat ng yung 100 na problems yun,
Maliliit, no?
liliit yun.
Mm.
Kasi, lalo yung high blood pressure, bro, nag-maintenance ako, eh.
Seryoso?
Bro, nag-maintenance
Tama,
ako.
tama.
Exactly, kasi nung lumabas yung result ko bro, wala akong asymptomatic ako, like
Mm.
wala akong any nararamdaman sakit or anything. Dahil familiar lang ako sa pa-check-up,
Mm.
sabi ng doktor ko, "You have 2 option Warren, you can take the meds and
Mm.
start now or you can delay." Bro, I take it kasi alam ko yung effect nun is mas better kaysa bigla ka nalang mai-stroke.
Mm.
Kasi yun nga, may
Kasi
mga
dumating ka
tao
sa point
akong
na puwedeng ma-stroke? Dumating ka sa point na puwede kang magka-stroke?
may possibility.
Hmm.
Kasi ang high blood pressure bro,
Age?
wala naman siyang sintomas, eh. You can talking like
Oo.
nag-uusap tayo ngayon,
Hmm.
wala kang nararamdaman, ta's
Hmm.
bigla ka na lang puwedeng humiga diyan.
And that happens a lot actually.
Exactly, 'di ba?
More frequent now.
More frequent.
Meron
Mga
kaming friend
healthy, oo.
meron kaming friend na embalmer,
Hmm,
and sabi niya it used to be when he was signing certificates, mga nasa 60s yung mga heart attack, mga stroke, pabata ng pabata. Right now, I think the youngest na minention niya is around 30.
mm,
And stroke really at
tama,
that age?
mm. Kaya yun nga, kaya
Mm.
bro, if
Hmm.
meron kang chance na magpa-executive exam
Check
sa
up.
buong katawan mo,
Mm.
do it as early as possible
Hmm.
para alam mo
Hmm.
na yun nga, na nasa in good condition. So, after mga 6 months, yeah, 6 months, around 6 to 1 year ako nag-maintenance, ah, nagpa-re-check up ulit ako, wala na. So, tigil lahat ng mga maintenance ko.
So how was I think it's something very emotional now because I
Mm,
just could imagine, 'di ba, if your wife is going through something.
mm.
So how did you cope? Anong perspective mo at that time?
Priority.
Hmm.
Priority talaga siya bro. Kasi Nung time na nalaman namin yung breast cancer kasi bro, nung time na nalaman namin, yung pina-check up and na-confirm, alam mo yung idea alam mo yung DABDA? Yung kapag may nangyari sa'yo, may denial, anger, bargaining.
Yes, yes, yes. Oo.
Bawat pasyente siguro sa family namin, may gano'n na nung nalaman namin
Hmm.
may cancer, baka hindi pa.
Hmm.
Denial.
Oo, in denial stage.
In denial stage, medyo, ba't
Hmm.
ako Lord, mga gano'n. Habang naggaganon sila, ako start with the treatment agad.
Nandun ka na sa
Nandun na ako sa start ng treatment.
oo,
Kasi
solution.
dahil nurse ako bro,
Oo.
familiar ako that cancer is a time game yan.
Yes, time is of the essence
Yeah.
for cancer.
Time is of the essence. Once na i-delay yan, may possibility mag-develop. So, na-diagnose yung wife ko around February. Bro, March, start na ng treatment agad. Marami
Good, you
siyang
have the money.
gustong,
Good, you
oo,
have the money. Because
bro,
you have done your financial
tama.
before.
Bro, yun yung masakit sa Pilipinas. Bro, yun yung masakit sa Pilipinas. Doon ko na-realize, bro, na kapag pala natamaan ka ng mga ganung sakit ng cancer at your finances is not that stable, bro, hihintayin mo na lang naman.
Kaya may namamatay talaga.
Kaya, minsan yung country natin no,